Hi kids! Welcome back to Moony's Science Lab! Today we're going to be doing a super cool experiment with Orbeez! I love Orbeez! For this experiment, you'll need some water, some vinegar, some baking soda, of course, Orbeez, a jar, and a measuring cup. Are you ready?
Yes!
I can't hear you. Are you ready?
Yes!
Awesome! Let's do it! The first step of this super cool science experiment is we have to put some of our Orbeez in our jar. Cool! Next, grab your measuring cup and your water and measure out 2 cups. Did you know that 2 cups is the same as 16 ounces?
Wow!
Pour the water in the jar. All right. Next, we have to measure out half a cup of our vinegar. Next, pour the vinegar in the jar. Now for the fun part. Add your baking soda to your jar. Let's see what happens.
Wow!
Whoa! It erupted like a volcano. If you look really closely, after all the foam goes down, the Orbeez start to dance. Thanks for doing my science experiment with me. I had so much fun. You should try this at home. It's super easy, and I'm sure you have all of the ingredients right around your house. Oh, and hey, don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.